Spend the morning with me taking care of my farm animals as a 23-year-old stay-at-home wife.
Good morning.
Ooh, this is nice. It don't smell like roaches in here or nothing. This is so nice.
Yeah.
I believe it's half full, not a half empty glass. Every day I wake up knowing it could be my last. I ain't here for a long time, I'm here for a good time. So bring on the sunshine, to hell with the red wine, pour me some moonshine.